The Communication Channel, TCC, will, from the 14th of March 2020, be presenting Saturday morning group workshops for learners in grades 8, 9 and 10. These workshops will be aimed at equipping learners with the necessary life skills for their careers after school. The first of these will be held in George. The topic of the workshop will be, I Can Cope.
What will you learn? Becoming emotionally aware. Emotional control. Coping with some tiring feelings. Coping with anger. Coping with another person's anger. Coping with stress. Coping with criticism. Coping with conflict. Assumptions, preconceptions, and prejudices.
Click the link below this video to book your seat. Or follow the links in the text for more information.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook. Visit our website. Click on the link below this video.